Okay, so on my Mac here, I have run out of ports that I can plug in different hard drives. I've just maxed out. I have no more room. And sometimes I don't even have enough power to power everything. So I just got this thing, the TS5 Plus. And this was about 500 bucks. It just got here from Amazon. And inside, I'm gonna show you all the stuff, just this wire. One of these wires is gonna go into the computer. I got power cord here. Here's probably a power bank, because this thing basically produces a ton of power. So my computer can basically like run the programs, it can power hard drives, and basically you get all these extra ports. And the unit here, it's kind of heavy. Here it is. Holy crap. Look at all those ports. Tons of ports. More ports. You can put SD card, microSD, audio, USB-C, 36 watt. What else? So I'm gonna set this all up and show you what it does. All right, these little strips, they get pushed into these little grooves right here. So you can basically, it's like a foot. Right now, I use this guy here, short circuit, to get kind of an idea of how to set it up. But it's pretty simple. So I had this basically plugged in the unit here into the wall. And then I plugged in my Ethernet cable. So this other cord back here, this goes from this device, the TS5, and it plugs in to the computer right here. So it's called HDMI. So I'm powering this monitor. And then I have this other monitor over here, which is just plugged into this port on my computer. And then I have an extra port left right here. I have 1, 2, 3 other hard drives running. I have another external SSD card or SSD drive right here. And then I also have my NAS system. So over here, I have basically like 200 terabytes in here. So it's all connected through that Ethernet cable. These are the other drives. I have like a 10 gig or 10 terabyte and another 2 more 16 terabyte drives right here. So I have like tons of storage. I kind of work off this SSD over here. All this stuff plugged in, 2 monitors, multiple drives. I'm even like powering, I use this to charge an iPhone. I have another charger under here that's connected to this thing so I can charge my phone right here. So I got just another Logitech keyboard, and then my tour box right here, my Logitech mouse, and then I put another computer on here. Most importantly is I have 2 monitors, or 3 monitors, the computer, a vertical monitor right here, NAS system, external backup drives, everything. I got even a backup battery down here that is connected to an alert system that tells me if it ever, the power ever goes out, it warns me so I can kind of shut things down. But this is my whole computer setup.